और अब मिस्टर जो प्रिजाइडिंग अफसर मिस्टर शेख हसन अली हसन, आई रिक्वेस्ट टू प्लीज़ कम एंड फॉर वोट ऑफ थैंक्स माइक करो ऊपर जल्दी से।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। I am Ahmad Hasan from Bahrain. This is the first time I visit India, and my impressions is very beautiful. I saw the people is very nice. Thanks to all, and I give my hot congratulations to Zakir Hussain for his marriage and his family. And I was very happy here. I around 5 days stay in what is this name city? Siwan. I have 5 days. Tomorrow I will traveling, return to Bahrain, and I was very happy with everybody. And I hope to come again in next time with my family and all. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks very much to all. Thank you.
प्लीज़, बहुत शुक्रिया दोस्तों, आपने बड़ा वक्त दिया, अच्छे शेर पे दाद दी, मुशायरे को ज़िंदा रखा, हम आपके शुक्रगुजार हैं।